Hi guys, my name is Wumi and I'm going to be teaching you some dancehall steps, some basic dancehall steps today. So the first thing I'm going to teach you is the sort of basic dancehall groove and ripple of the body. It's sort of 4 parts and it's chest movement, so your chest is out and then your hips go forward and then you sit. Yeah, so it's chest, hips, sit. Chest, hips, sit. And as you do the chest, there's also sort of a head. So your head, chest, hips, down. So your head is sort of doing this motion. Yes, yes. Yeah, and with this motion, you use the chest, hips, sit. Chest, hips, sit. Chest, hips, sit. Chest, hips, sit. You speed it up. Chest, hips, sit. Chest, hips, sit. Chest, hips, sit. Chest, speed it up. Chest, 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 chest. And if you notice, I'm having a little flick with my feet, but we'll go through the feet next. I hope that makes sense. We have the bounce. It's a constant bounce. You're always soft in your knees. Yeah? And you're going to be, this bounce is going to turn into one leg coming up as you bend and hopping down onto the floor. So I'm doing my right leg down onto the floor and left leg coming up, and you're juxtaposing both. And then you can change. And listen to that sound. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 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 See how my body's coming down. So now I'm going to add this with this. So you've got your bounce, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, which is the ripple, 2, 3, 4, and then a lift, 2, 3, 4 with the ripple, 2, 3, 4 with the ripple, 2, 3, 4, and a ripple, 2, 3, 4. All right? So that's 2 parts you have now. You're going to use your arms, and your arms are going to throw down. So they're going to hit, and then they're going to go down the body. They're going to hit, 2, 3, 4, and a hit, 2, 3, 4, and a hit, 2, 3, 4, and a hit, 2, 3, 4. All right, and as you can see, that hit works in the same timing as your ripple. So it's the first part of the ripple, and a hit, 2, 3, 4, and a hit, chest, chest, ripple, and a hit, chest, chest, ripple. So now what we want to do is we want to put everything together. This with the bounce, with the ripple, and with the hit. So we're just going to do it forward. I'm going to bounce with my right leg going down onto the floor, which my left leg is coming up first, and then I'm going to change it and do the other side. All right, so you're going 6, 7, here's your bounce, 1, 2, and 3, and 4 with your ripple, 2, and 3, and 4 with your bounce, 2, and 3, and 4, and change, 2, and 3, 4 with the arms, 2, and 3, and 4 with the arms, 2, and 3, and 4 with the arms, 2, and 3, and 4, arms, 2, and we can take it round. Yeah, so I made it longer, and we go round. Yeah, and now we just do it 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, change. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And that's the basic step.
Ready fi burn up warning, some boy splinter. Big up bad gal in a real life, nothing that. When the things hotter come like a sprinter. Hotter than lava anytime, even in winter. Girl, let me see how you a bad. Sipping when you sit on panic, yeah, me in a that. So me tell me, girl, let me see how you a bad. Smoking on you, black it.
That's what you're burning. Okay, so our second dancehall step I'm going to teach you today is called zip it up. Whoop. Yeah, zip it up. So this step is a lot to do with the hips and figure 8 of the hips. So you're literally going to, it's like over the mountain, the hip needs to go over the mountain, yeah? So your timing would be over the mountain, over the mountain, over the mountain. All right, there's also, as in most African and Caribbean dances, there's always a soft groove and the soft knees. And you're always soft in the knees, and then you use that groove to work your steps. So we're going hip up, drop, hip up, drop, hip up and over and drop, over and drop. All right, with that same step, you also have some steps that take place. So you have a two-step, whoa, a two-step, a two-step, a two-step, a two-step. Everybody loves a two-step. So the basic of the dance is a two-step. So the rhythm is right, in, left, in. So out right, in with the left, out left, in with the right. Ta, 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 ta. This ta will now turn into over the hill, tap 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 over the hill, tap. That's the basic of the step. Step over like you're going somewhere, and then you can go double on one side. So you go 1, in, 1, 2. Out, in, 1, 2. With the hips over, 1, 2. 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 And then if I just do it from the back so you can see the back angle. So you're going the same, you've got the soft knees. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. That should make it. 6 and 7 and 8. Then we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. With the hip, 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 with the hip. 1 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So I hope that makes sense. And if you need to, you can rewind and drill with the video. Yeah, but moving on, I'm just going to show you how you can use your arms in some gestures with the arms, which is like to say come here while you're doing it, which is come, come, come to me, come, come, come to me. I could take the hands away and do it with no hands. Hey. Yeah, well done. Okay, so next up we have one more dancehall step. Also from the same era. These are all steps from sort of the 90s. And this is a female step called butterfly. But it's not like this. Although when I was younger, I did a butterfly competition, and honestly, someone was doing it like this. But yeah, it's a story for another day. So here we go. It's all about the knees coming in and coming out. Going in and out. But when you're bringing them in, you want to take them in and you want to force them round and out. All right, so let's do one leg at a time. So you've got in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. So the hips are very much involved. All right, your hips are going forward, forward, back, forward, back. So don't forget the back. You've got forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Yeah, so I'm not just going, I'm making an accent to come forward and I'm making an accent to come back. An accent to come forward and an accent to come back. So that forward and forward and forward and forward and with the knee, with the knee, with the knee, with the knee. Other side. with the knee, with the knee, with the knee, and in, okay? So that's your basic in dancehall. You want to keep your knees bent and you kind of want to style it. So you've got this whole motion, it's slower. It's the same ripple, but it's slower. And a back, 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 and a and a and a and a and a whoop, and a whoop. Okay guys, you see I have my good friend here, Ronke, also Nigerian. Oh yeah, how do we do this one? Clink, something like this. Okay, so we're gonna learn this butterfly. So you have your in, push out, in, push out, good. And you're gonna go in, push out, that's your hips coming forward, and back, forward, and back, forward, and back, forward, and back. And then when you go back, that's when you dip the knees in. So we go back, yes, 6 and 7, and back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, one leg, back, 2, 3, 4, other leg, 1, 2, 3, turn around, right, hey, 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 hey. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you learned a lot. You can rewind the tape and practice and drill, and I hope to see you on the next video.